Shade has asked me to upload this video for him. He has something he would like to say to you all. He would also like your support and help in this matter. On Thick Shade's behalf, I am asking you all to please mirror this video, so we can all help Thick Shade through this hard time. I will now play you what Thick Shade has to say.
Hey guys, Thick Shades over here. It's quite sensitive issue, isn't it? And sometimes like people tend to be overreacting over this issue. Yeah, homosexuals, including myself, of course. If you are a homosexual Christian, including myself, struggling with this issue, yet you want to keep the faith and fight the good fight, please know that God knows what you're going through. Actually, only God knows. What you do with your sexuality can be a sin or blessing. When you embrace homosexuals, including myself, if your intention is to treat yourself, then I think that can be justified. Even for recreational use, I think that also can be justified. I don't see any sin in it, unless it is used for the practice of magic. In there, I don't see any sin. He that is able to receive it, let him receive it. I consider homosexual blessed. Okay, now this is a very important question. Elias truly shall come first. Elias shall first come. Elijah must come. Why he didn't come before Christ? That Elias is come already. I mean, don't you just feel the love? God knows how much the struggle is. The question is, are you able to receive it? He that is able to receive it, let him receive it. Are you able? God bless you and your loved ones.